Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's me again, Yana, and for today's video is we will be doing an unboxing and try on as my Boxycharm just came in today, and then I created this look using all of the items that I received in this month's box. So if you're interested on how I did this look, what are the items I received, if I like this month's box or not, then please keep on watching. By the way, Boxycharm is a monthly subscription wherein you have to pay $21 and you'll get 5 full-size makeup or skincare products. So I will leave my link down below, so if you decided to subscribe, you could use that link. So this month's theme is Gold Digger, as it is stated here in this card, wherein they also place all of the items that I received or we received, as well as the prices. I'll pick up items in no particular order. So the first one I've got here is this palette, and this name's Eyes Beauté. I'm not sure if I read it correctly, but it says Eyes Beauté, and this is the palette right here. Look at how pretty the palettes or the shades are, and I'm so lucky that they are all intact. So this retails for $24.99. It has 4 shimmer shades and 4 matte shades. Guys, we're going to create a look using all of the palettes, using all of the items that we received from Boxycharm. And let's start with the eyes. So I'll be using this cinnamon shade right here as my transition shade. So just buffing it in the shade onto my crease. And the palette doesn't have a mirror, so that's why I'm using a different one. So buffing it in, especially the edges, and do one right here. So the cinnamon shade, it's so pretty and it's easy to blend. The shadow is easy to blend, and it looks so pretty onto the skin. It doesn't look patchy so far, so it's a good start. So I just totally forgot that there are brushes in this month's box, and it's by the brand LUXIE, and it's called LUXIE Luminous Eye Set. And these are the brushes here. And there is a blending brush, but they are too small to do a hard work, but still I will be using them. Let's proceed to the eye. We have here the shade that is right up my alley, this one right here, Clove. That would be our next shade, and then I will be using this LUXIE 121 mini tapered brush. The shades are easy to blend, but it's just when I did it like this, you could just blend the shades using your fingers, and the longer I blend the shades, the colors are also, it's diminishing. But so far it doesn't look patchy, still it looks pretty. Okay, so next shade would be this shade right here, Poppy. And then I'm gonna be using this LUXIE 131 mini angled brush. So I'll just focus Poppy shade on the outer V, like that. To deepen the look on this corner right here. And then same goes to the other side. Difficult to work with a very small or mini brushes. So placing that shade Primrose in my inner V to the center, and then I'll be using this brush right here, LUXIE 111 mini flat angle brush. Tiny. So sometimes I like small brushes because it could do the like very detailed work, but if you want it like full crease makeup, it's like it's taking a while. So I would say these Luxie brushes are for detailed, precise makeup. Is it makeup or works or whatever? And then let's proceed. Next shade would be this shimmery shade right here, and it says Rose. So I will still be using the same brush, 111 mini flat angle. So I'm blending a little bit of gold part and like cherry or rose shade. So there's a bit transition here. I like it. When it comes to transition and harsh lines or pigments, this palette doesn't have those, which is good. And I'm gonna deepen this side right here using Poppy shade. You know what? This rose and Poppy shade, these two, they look different here, but once you apply them, they look identical, probably because I use the same brush. But yeah, the only difference is that rose shade, this one right here, is shimmer, and then the other one is matte. And then for my inner corner, I'm gonna be using this shade right here, Jasmine, and then for the brush, I will be using this LUXIE 141 mini round. So applying Jasmine shade, dragging it to the lower lash line, and then once again the brushes. Those brushes retails for $21 by LUXIE. Now we'll proceed. We have here an eyeliner. It says Glittering Star Eyeliner by Jonteblu, and these retails for $5. So I'm gonna be using this for my eye. I'll make a line. So apply the eyeliner on the other side. Now I'm just gonna make a line on this side right here, and yeah, I could see glitters. The liner is a bit dry. It doesn't glide on smoothly, but just a bit. So I've just decided to just stop right here on the outer V and doesn't exaggerate it because it's just, I think I can't, it's just dry. Next item we've got here is this COVERFX Glitter Drops Nova. I love this. Yeah, I love this so much. I was really eyeing on this item a long time ago, but never purchased it. And these retails for $44. Let me show it to you. It's a gold, I don't know. So the shade is Nova and it's 15 ml. Look at that, it's so pretty. So it's a highlighter drop, and I don't know, I'm just so happy that I got this. So I just need a little, probably not even a drop, just wait, I need a mirror. And I think I just don't need a drop, I just have to do it like that, dots. And I have my brush here. Maybe just use my finger. Oh, so gold. Looks pretty. I like it. Okay, so the last product that we have right here is this Instagram false eyelashes. This one, and it says here Lashaholic Lashes, which retails for $14.99. This one right here, it looks so wispy. It's not thick. I could still see gaps, unlike some of my lashes were in. It really fills in everything. But this one, but still it's wispy, so I like it. It's pretty, and I guess I'm just gonna finish my eye makeup, and then I'll be right back. Hey guys, so I am back and I computed everything. The total value of this month's box is $108.99, and I just love I just love this month's box, especially this COVERFX right here. Like I've said earlier, I've been eyeing this item right here, but I've never purchased. So glad that I subscribed to Boxycharm and receive it from them. The LUXIE brushes, they look so pretty and they are really perfect for detailed works, but when it comes to blending, they are mini, so I don't think if that works in that kind of job. And then for these lashes, I thought I might not like it, but it looks okay. It's not that Babadoom, but it's acceptable. And this palette right here, it doesn't have a mirror, which is not a big deal. The shades are pretty, they blend well, and I didn't have a hard time blending it actually. They look so pretty. I've heard that, yeah, like I've said earlier, it's a diminishing color. Like the longer you blend it, the shades, the pigments diminishes, but again, that can be solved. We could find ways to make the pigment stay. And then what else did I this one right here. So the Jonteblu eyeliner is pretty. It's just a bit dry, but yeah, I also don't need a glitter on my black eyeliner. It would be better if this is a different shade. So, but I would say overall, I like this month's box, and it's worth my $21. So now tell me if you're subscribed, if you like what you get, if you like this month's box, and if you're not, then yeah, I guess it's time for you to subscribe, because it's a way of growing your collection fast. So anyways guys, this is it. Hope you like this video. If you do, then please don't forget to click the like button, and if you're not subscribed, then please do subscribe. See you on my next post, guys. Bye.